Hello, boys and girls. It's Teacher Gigi, and today we're going to learn about the L word family. Are you ready? Let's go! The L word family. A, L, E. L. Here again we have A, L, E. L. And if we put an S in front of L, we get the word sail. Okay, boys and girls, it's time to brainstorm. Pause the video while you brainstorm and think of words that are in the L family. Welcome back, boys and girls. I thought of some words as well. The first word I thought of was male. The next word, sail. Then tail. Pale, and well. What words did you think of in the L family? Good job! All right, boys and girls, it's practice time. Let's go! See the picture, say it out loud, write it, check it, say it. Bail. Did you say bail? Let's write it. B-L, B-L. Let's check it. Bail, B-A-L-E. Bail. Let's go to the next one. Say it. He is a male. Let's write it. M-L. M-L. Let's check it. M-A-L-E. Male. The hurricane has gale force winds. Gale. Let's write it. G-L. G-L. Let's check it. G-A-L-E. Gale. Good job. All right, let's say it. Her face looks a little pale. Pale. Let's write it. P-L. P-L. Let's check it. Pale. P-A-L-E. Pale. Say it. Oh, there's a dress. And it has a red tag on it. And she looks really surprised. Okay, it is sail. Sail. Write it. S-L. S-L. Let's check it. S-A-L-E. Sail. Good job. Let's say it. We see there's a bug and there's a fairy. Oh, maybe it's tail. Let's say it. Tail. Write it. T-L. T-L. Let's check it. Tail. T-A-L-E. Tail. Good job. What is it? If you said well, you are correct. Kiss your brain. Let's write it. L. L. Let's check it. W-H-A-L-E. Well. Good job, friends. Let's continue. This is a scale. Say it. Scale. Let's write it. Sk-L. Sk-L. Let's check it. Scale. S-C-A-L-E. Scale. Very good. Inhale. Exhale. Do you know what it is? Inhale. Let's write it. Inhale. Inhale. Let's check it. I-N-H-A-L-E. Inhale. Good job. Let's say it. The girl is a female. Let's write it. Female. Female. Let's check it. F-E-M-A-L-E. Female. Good job. Awesome. Hooray for you. You did it because you are so awesome. Okay, friends, it's time for our extended activities. What is it? Figure out what the picture is before it is totally revealed. All right, friends, let's go. All right, let's see. What is it? Oh, it looks very familiar. I see the purple dress and the red tag. I think she has found a sale. If you said sale, you are correct. Good job. All right, let's go to the next one. What is it? Oh, I think it's the little girl whose face is. If you said pale, you are correct. Good job. What is it? I see a book. Oh, I believe I know what this is. Do you know what it is? If you said tale, you are correct, as in fairy tale. Good job. What is it? It's gold. I think I know what it is now. Do you? If you said scale, boys and girls, you are correct. Good job. Scale. What is it? Do you remember what this is, boys and girls? If you said bale, you are correct. Bale. Good job. You did it again because you are awesome. Let's do another extended activity. This one is fill in the blank. My sister is not a male. She is a, let's get a clue, female. If you said female, good job. Weigh the apples on the, let's get a clue. What is it? If you said scale, you are correct. Good job. The hurricane produced blank force winds. If you said gale, you are correct. The hurricane produced the gale force winds. Good job. We saw a blue blank at the aquarium. What do you think you can see at the aquarium that's in the L word family? Let's get a clue. If you said whale, you are absolutely correct. Good job. You did an awesome job with today's lesson. Keep up the good work. See you next time. Love, Teacher Gigi. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And remember, you are smart and capable.